Hey traders, in this video we're going to look at the 20-day single moving average. You could use the SMA or the EMA. I like them both when I'm trading here. And it's a simple study. If you go to your platform, type in daily SMA single moving average, you can change it to the exponential moving average as well, just an EMA. But why I like using this 20-day moving average? Well, a couple of reasons. I'm a very fast and aggressive trader. There's no doubts about that. If you're not a member of Blitz, then there will be an event upcoming where make sure you check the link out. But in Blitz, I'm usually trading options and I'm not holding them for more than a week or so. In some cases, 24 hours or less. Therefore, I want to really pinpoint when a stock is going to move. I don't want to mess around and hope and dream and 3 months later hope the stock goes up. Not for me. Therefore, when I'm looking at quick trades, I want volatility, I want volume, and I want a quick aggressive move in the right direction. The 20-day moving average is a great way to find these. So I'm looking at AAL right here, and this stock has been very volatile and moves a lot, right? There's no doubt about it. Airliners, since really mid-March, they've been movers, quick aggressive movers, which I like. Now, when you see a stock gap up, whether it be news, earnings, whatever it may be, a lot of times people want to run in and buy it. So if we look here at AAL, let's actually pinpoint this day on 11/9 right here. We see a huge move higher, and we have volume surging. I mean, literally volume surged over the previous, really, 5 trading days or so. Now, instead of running out and buying it, right? Oh, let me go buy it. American Airlines is the greatest stock ever at 14 a share right here. What happens? Everyone and their mother, all the Robinhood traders come and get it, and it pulls back for 4 more days. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, pullback right here. Now, you see where price pulls back to? That 20-day moving average. Think of it as like a magnet. When something gets too far away, it will pull it back. Sometimes we call this reversion to the mean in trading. There's different theories on that. But a stock usually gravitates to where it has not only prior price action, but to that 20-day moving average. And then look for a bounce. So right here, we start to bounce off the 20-day moving average. That's bullish. A quick aggressive trader can get in right here. If not, you can wait. You have days here. You have about 5 days of consolidation. And guess what? Price stayed above its 20-day moving average. If you want to look at a rule of thumb, look for 3+ days above the 20-day moving average to confirm a bounce. Stock moves higher, stock moves higher. We get a short-term pullback here, still above the 20-day moving average, and now we are flagging here in AAL to the upside. So this is a very bullish chart now. The trend has changed from neutral to slightly bearish to now bullish here in AAL. Let's actually look at another name, a name that is very popular that I'm actually have a big interest in trading actually at the moment. That's Rocketeer, Rocket Mortgage. I call it the Rocketeer. I don't know why. Ticker symbol RKT. Now this name is relatively new IPO. It had its IPO shebang, up, down, pullback here. But unlike many stocks that have bounced, crazy off the March lows, Rocketeer has really just been stuck in the mud. This is my stuck in the mud pattern, by the way, where the stock ain't doing nothing. Very sideways price. You see how that 20-day moving average is like a magnet, like, we just can't get away. But something that's perked my attention actually a few days now, and really just confirming it today, is let's actually zoom in here, right? Volatility is very low, therefore the price of options are really, really cheap right now, which is great if you're an option buyer. But you can look at the 20-day moving average too as support and resistance, right? We looked at AAL as support. Now we could look at the 20-day moving average as resistance. You see how price, we couldn't shatter it here, right? So we have a lot of pent-up demand, right? Everyone's mad, we couldn't break out, I'm mad. Price did break out right here, right? And look at the volume pick up. Huge volume picking up. Pull back, the market's been a little weak overall. Pulled back, so we have 1, 2, 3 days over the 20-day moving average. Boom, breakout to the upside. We're getting some volume to confirm it. Next thing you know, volatility will probably shoot up. We'll have that moving average moving up, and the trend looks to be changing here in RKT. So I like this setup, and I like setups like this for quick, aggressive trades. And these are types of trades where you don't have to go out to like March or February. If you're playing the options, you can look at December. You can even look at January options to capture these big moves. And now my next price target here in RKT is just going to be over prior resistance, which is what, about 24 a share or so. So if you want more trades like this, more analysis, more detail, I have so many actionable ideas that I post in the Blitz member section. I am holding a live event this week. I want you to join, be there, and learn how to trade institutional order flow in the options market combined with technical analysis, overall market color, and market sentiment, and how to really pinpoint these stocks that aren't super popular to the mainstream on how you can trade them just like I do and capture some massive gains in this market. I think 2021 is going to be a fantastic year for trading in the stock market, and I want to bring some actionable ideas to you, put them on your watch list, trade them, make money, and just really have a fun time doing it. You know, it's good to master something and get it down. So check it out. I'll be live for about an hour. Say hi, do whatever you want, ask questions. I want to see you there. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. You know, turn on notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. Send me messages of all the fish you catch and surfing because the weather's hot here in Florida.